Hello everyone, I'm Kendra. I'm from Tianjin China Rubber Company Limited. Now let me introduce you about the anti-slip rubber flooring. Anti-slip rubber flooring have so many kinds of the pattern of surface and close the impression pattern on the reverse. Fiber insertion available. Its environmental protection, easy to install, clean and dry. It has great capacity of the water resistant, aging resistance, waterproofing, anti-slipping, anti-fatigue, heavy duty, shock absorption, and better resilience. And it will be used in many applications such as walkway, hallway, ground, sport area, loading areas, doormats, truck mat, heavy-duty workplaces, and other general applications. Okay, thank you for your watching, and follow us, give me a like. Bye.